Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Infiniti QX50 transmission fluid. This simple maintenance task is vital for your vehicle's longevity and smooth operation. We will cover everything from preparing your car and locating the fluid access point to accurately reading the fluid level and understanding what the results mean. Performing this check regularly can help prevent costly transmission issues down the road, ensuring your QX50 continues to perform at its best for many miles. Before you begin, make sure your Infiniti QX50 is on a flat, level surface and the engine has reached its normal operating temperature. This ensures an accurate fluid reading. Many QX50 models feature a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which might not have a traditional dipstick. For these, you may need to consult your owner's manual to locate a check or fill plug or consider a professional inspection. Always have a clean rag and gloves ready. For models with a dipstick, remove it, wipe it completely clean with a lint-free cloth, and then reinsert it all the way. Pull it out once more to check the fluid level against the hot or full marks. Pay close attention to the fluid's appearance. Healthy transmission fluid is typically translucent red or light pink. If it appears dark brown, black, or has a burnt smell, it indicates a need for service. Milky fluid suggests water contamination. A proper fluid level is crucial. If it's below the add mark, you'll need to top it up. Use only the exact type of transmission fluid specified in your owner's manual, as many Infiniti QX50s require a specific CVT fluid. Add fluid slowly using a funnel, checking the level frequently to avoid overfilling. Overfilling can be as damaging as underfilling. If you have a sealed system, or if the fluid looks severely degraded, professional service is recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.